I have a bunch of things going on right now, so this video is a little bit of each, including an epoxy mold. And I was a little bit nervous doing it since I've only done one other in the past built from scratch. Normally when I do some 12 by 24 epoxy charcuterie boards, they go into those prefab molds that don't leak and usually are pretty simple to pop out. This customer wanted something quite a bit longer, 12 by 40, so I'm going to break down a sheet of melamine particle board for it. The wood that makes up the board is walnut, so what I do is I cut it down the middle and clean up the edges with my sander. I really don't keep a lot of sheet goods around my shop because I just don't have anywhere to store it. This piece is for my next project, but I'm tired of moving it around my shop to get into tools and cabinets and stuff like that, so I'm going to break it down right now. Back to work on this form for my epoxy board. I'm using tuck tape to make absolutely sure that when I go to release the board from the mold it comes out. I guess you really don't need it since the melamine particle board has a nice smooth surface, but this is just in case. The drawers for this oak table I've been working on for a while now are up next. I like to use birch plywood. It's stable and looks good with a clear coat of poly when I'm all done. They're pretty simple. I add a rabbet for the bottom and pocket screws will hold it together. Before I assemble them, I'll add some edge banding to clean up these plywood edges. I actually have two boards I'm working on right now, the big one and then this round one, which I'm using emerald green color for, and then for the big one, it's pearl white pigment. So far, so good, but it's only been a couple of hours. On the next episode, we'll check in on it and see if it's a mess or not.